Today we are traveling to visit Lao Thai Bridge, and we are very happy. And now it's so hot, so hot. We are walking. We are take a walk. Go to Thailand. This is Mekong. This bridge is going to Thailand. Yeah. And yeah, if you come to see here, you can pay 3,000 kip, so you can walk up on the bridge like us.
So can go to Thailand.
And you can, if you can walk like this until Thailand country, can. The side is Thai.
Far.
So far, the side is Thailand. Yeah, this Mekong. This Mekong is so big. The water is so yellow, very yellow. The bus is going to Thailand. This side is come from Laos. This side, we walking until here. So hot. Now it's 1 o'clock at noon. You see, Mekong River. We only 3 people. We are coming by motorbike today, and so hot. There, you see the car is running to Thailand. So many cars go up and down. These cars are coming from Thailand. This side is Lao side. This side is turned to Lao. Lao country is this side, and this side is Thai country. Yeah.